Alright everyone, today is an underwater day as the weather in the UK is oh so slightly warmer than usual and we're going to make the most of it. Don't forget, if you do enjoy these types of videos, then go ahead and give it a like, and if you'd like to see more of these where the water is crystal clear rather than this murky grey we've got going on, then have a think about subscribing so I can justify going abroad more often. I am currently a very small channel here on YouTube. Right now I've got about 140 wonderful lovely subscribers and my next goal is to get to 500 wonderful lovely subscribers. So if you want to be part of it, you know what to do. Right, let's get into the video. Okay, let's have a closer look at what we found today then. There wasn't an awful lot, truth be told, which is a good sign for the environment, not so great for content. Within this lot though, there are two things I have questions about. First thing is the Goofy and Pluto picture. This is mounted on what I would say is some sort of thin ply on the back. I cannot for the life of me work out what it would have been from and why someone would have brought it down to the river. The second is this DVD, because although you can't see it very well on a camera, it's a blank, which means someone's recorded something onto it. And this is a really rural area in the middle of nowhere. You have to drive to get there. So what could possibly be on this DVD that someone would go out of their way to throw away in the river? I guess I'll never know, and maybe that's for the best, but the mind does boggle. So, all of this rubbish will be thrown away accordingly, but do you remember the hammer that I found in a previous video? I would say, what is that? But I've got a feeling it's an hammer. I don't like throwing things away that have a potential, and wherever possible I try to restore or find new purposes for things that cross my path. Cue the restoration montage. Forgive the action camera, it's not so good with the close-ups, but here we have the end results. This type of hammer is used for metalworks, which is not one of my fortes, but I know someone that does take part in that activity, so this is going to be going their way. Thank you so much for watching, let me know what your thoughts of today's videos were below, and I'll see you next time.